Take raspberries and blueberries and thread them onto popsicle sticks or small skewers. Freeze them for 4 hours until completely frozen. Melt 300 grams dark chocolate. Start by melting about half in a tall glass using the microwave in short intervals or a double boiler. Gradually add the remaining chocolate and remelt as needed to keep the chocolate level high for easy dipping. The frozen berries will make the chocolate set almost instantly, right in your hands. If you prefer a thinner chocolate coating, add 2 teaspoons vegetable oil to the melted chocolate and stir well. Store these chocolate-covered berry treats in the freezer and only take out as many as you plan to eat that day. Arrange them on a plate and enjoy these delicious, healthy, frozen chocolate treats.
Subscribe, like, and enjoy your meal.